This chapter involves the characters facing frightening creatures. Let's talk about facing fears and overcoming challenges. Can you share a time when you had to confront something you were afraid of? Let's talk about using imagination to overcome challenges. Can you share instances from your own life where imagination or creativity helped you find solutions to problems? Think about how Jack and Danny worked together to face the keepers. Do you like working with other students to solve problems? How can teamwork lead to success?